is for lion, the lion. L is for leaf, a leaf. L is for lemon, la lemon, la na. Let's learn the sound of L. L is for lamp, la la lamp, la la lamp, la la lamp. Is for laugh, la la laugh, la la laugh, la la. L is for lake, 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 lake. L makes learning a piece of cake. L is for lion, la lion, la lion, la. L is for leaf, la la leaf, lam, la leaf, lam, leaf. L is for lemon, lam, ram, 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 ram. Let's learn the sound of L. L is for ladder, la ladder, la ladder, la. L is for light, la la light, la la light, la light. L is for lunch, 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 lunch. L makes everything feel so bright. L is for lion, la light, la la light, la light. L is for lampant, la lampant, la lampant, la. L is for lighthouse, 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 spreading joy to all of us. L is for lion, la lion, la lion, la. L is for lampant, la lampant, la lampant, la. L is for lighthouse, 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 spreading joy to all of us. Now you know the sound of L. Sing it loud, sing it clear. Learning letters brings us cheer.